Located in Palm Springs, California, this home seeks to connect with the surrounding landscape and dramatic mountain scenery while allowing for a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. The original 1950s house was situated on a quiet cul-de-sac. Its mechanical systems were beginning to fail, and the terrain around the pool and deck sat higher than the home's finished floor, increasing the risk of flooding during heavy rains. Replacing the outdated structure became a more logical choice than attempting a renovation. Passing through the textured concrete block wall and entering the home, a straightforward composition of clean, durable materials is revealed, serving as a backdrop for the refined finishes. Passive design strategies are evident in the space, with expansive south-facing glazing, operable windows that allow for cross-ventilation, and deep overhangs that provide shade during warmer months while letting in sunlight during cooler seasons. To capture mountain views while maintaining privacy from the street, clerestory windows were incorporated throughout the main living area. The selection of authentic, durable materials gives the home a sense of robustness, balanced by delicate finishes. The social area is set within a large open concept space, yet with some visual separation from the kitchen. The partition dividing the kitchen from the living room does not reach the ceiling. A dropped ceiling wraps around the kitchen, visually distinguishing it from the dining area while preserving its connection to the backyard. The existing landscape was preserved, including a koi pond that was maintained and protected throughout the construction process. The layout revolves around outdoor spaces, with the living room, office, and primary suite opening onto the covered patio. Maintaining the original site topography, the primary suite was positioned 18 inches above the lower finished floor. Access to the bedroom is via a bridge that passes through the office. The preserved vegetation creates an immediate connection with nature, an uncommon feature in new constructions.